Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to apply Zara coupon code. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Zara application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply Zara coupon code. So first of all, open the Zara app and add your items to the bag. So items you can add through the menu by clicking on the menu or clicking on the middle where you have the search, where you can search for some items. And now let's say I want to go and click on this vintage rug. I can click add, click which one I want, and now it will automatically be in my bag and I can go and buy it. Go click on the bottom right corner. Here we have, as you can see, the shopping bag. Now here you can of course go and click continue to of course go and buy the coupon. And here you will have to go and put in all of these. So you need to go and put in your name, surname, where you're from, phone number, postal code, address, and everything. And then click save. And on the next screen, you will have the delivery where you can put in your payment method also, where you can of course go and put in the coupon. Enter the code and apply it, but the code has to be exactly how you of course wrote it. So how it is written to you, sorry. Some important things in many countries, including my country, Zara does not offer discount or promo codes for online purchases, so that's why I can't show you. But of course, it can if your country, of course, supports it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.